You want to incorporate green ideas in your home, make them fun. We're going to recycle newspapers a fun way, and I've recruited some volunteers to do that. All right, gang, you ready to do this? Here's how we're going to make it fun. Everyone's got a job, and everyone has to have a different name. It's not going to be Ben, Caleb, and Lily Marie. You have the string. You are going to be string cheese. All right? You have to snip it, so you will be Captain Cutaway. All right? And then you are Bundle o' Nerves. How's that? Okay, let's do this. All right, let's get some string. We're going to take about 2 pieces, 6 feet long. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Where are you, Captain Cutaway? Boom, right there for me. There you go. All right, we've already got another one cut there. All right, Bundle o' Nerves, one down, one over here. Here's what we're doing. We want to make transporting it to the curb easy, so we're using a little red wagon, using the twine on the bottom so that you can already have it ready to tie up. There you go. Bring the string over, tie it in 2 directions. Once it's done, it's in the wagon, it's bundled up, it's ready to take to the curb, piece of cake, and everybody has fun.